Dear students, let us discuss about the clotting of blood. When a blood vessel injured, a number of physiological mechanisms are activated that promote to hemostasis. That means the clot of blood. So here hemo means blood, stasis means standing or stopping blood flow. So when blood vessel injured, the blood vessel exposed to the collagen fibers. So in this mechanism there are three mechanisms are initiated in the clotting of blood or hemostasis. So those are vasoconstriction, platelet plug formation, production of web of fibrin protein. So first one, vasoconstriction, that means the swelling of blood vessel is called as vasoconstriction. So in this mechanism, the smooth muscles of blood vessel contract, which makes the lumen of vessel narrow. The vasoconstriction mechanism. So when blood vessel injured, the smooth muscles of blood vessel contract, which makes blood vessel of lumen to narrow. So if the lumen of blood vessel is narrow, so the blood flowing is also stopped by the narrow lumen of the blood vessel. So sometimes this vasoconstriction may completely stopping of blood flow. So next one, platelet plug formation. So when the vessel endothelium is ruptured, platelets collagen secretes some secretions. So these secretions are other to the another platelets and make them to sticky. So when these secretions become sticky, the platelets are joined together and form a mesh-like structure. So in this process, the blood, platelets and proteins are the trapped in the vessels. Next one, production of web of fibrin protein. So in this mechanism, activated substances from injured vascular wall, platelets, blood proteins are other to injured vascular wall, and they form a web of proteins, fibers. So here the web of fiber are trapped the blood cells and platelets. Next one, so the hemostasis mechanism involved in the three steps. So let us see that. First step is the formation of a complex of activate substances. So these activated substances such as prothrombin activator. Formation of a complex activated substances are initiated prothrombin activator. So this prothrombin activator initiate a number of chemical reactions. So this mechanism involved in the two pathways. First one is the intrinsic pathway, second one is the extrinsic pathway. So in intrinsic pathway, blood exposed to the collagen of injured endothelium of blood vessel. So this causes the activation of factor 12. So blood exposure to the collagen fibers of injured endothelium of blood vessel. So that activates the factor 12 is called as Hedgeman factor. So this factor again activates the another factor is called prothrombin activator. So in extrinsic pathway, the vascular wall severely damaged. The damaged tissue release thromboplastin. So this thromboplastin activates the factor 7 called proconvertin. So here the proconvertin again activates the another activator that is called prothrombin activator. So second step involved. So here factor 7 proconvertin activates the prothrombin activator. So here prothrombin convert into activate thrombin by the presence of sufficient calcium ions. So this activation makes the partial clotting of the blood. So next step, this is the third step of hemostasis. Here fibrinogen convert into soluble fibrinogen convert into soluble fibrin by the activator is thrombin. So here thrombin convert soluble fibrinogen into soluble fibrin. So here factor 13 is called fibrin stabilizing factor. Fibrin stabilizing factor form a fiber meshwork. So this fiber meshwork form a network like structure. So here the finally blood clotted. So in these three mechanisms are involved in the hemostasis. So there are many factors are involved in the hemostasis. Those are the factor 1 fibrinogen, factor 2 prothrombin, factor 3 thromboplastin, factor 4 calcium ions, factor 5 proacylarin, factor 6 no longer in this hemostasis, hence factor 7 proconvertin, factor 8 anti-hemophilic factor, factor 9 Christmas factor, factor 10 Stuart factor, factor 11 plasma thromboplastin antecedent, factor 12 Hedgeman's factor, factor 13 fibrin stabilizing factor. So these are the factors which are involved in the hemostasis.